McLauchlin Wellness Clinic, your first step to better.
Hello, this is Dr. Cole at the McLauchlin Wellness Clinic. Recently at the clinic, we've been seeing a lot of low back pain patients, and I've been prescribing a lot of exercises for the low back lately. So I figured we'd do a little video to demonstrate two of the most common ones I do prescribe. And one is called the bird dog, and the one's called the cat camel. And you may have heard of these before, but we're just going to demonstrate them right now on the table. So the first we're going to do is called the bird dog, okay? With the bird dog position, you can be on the floor, on a mat, on a table. The more stable the surface, the easier the exercise is going to be. So you want to put your hands shoulder width apart, your knees at 90 degrees, right below the hips, and you want to maintain that position. You also want your back to be in that neutral spine position, like a flat, almost like a table, so you can balance something on your back almost. That's how flat it's going to be. And you want to maintain that flatness of your back through the whole exercise. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to lift your right arm and your left leg simultaneously, and you're going to have them up at that same platform as your low back and maintain that. What we want to avoid is any twisting forward, twisting back, any kind of that, and you want to maintain that flat curvature. For those that have a hard time with doing that position, you may want to start with one arm first and then bring it back, or doing one leg first and maintaining that position and seeing where your hip sits at. Okay, so that's the bird dog. You want to hold for 5 seconds up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to come back in, switch sides, opposite arm, opposite leg, bring them up, hold for 5 seconds, 2, 1, and back. Just make sure you don't do same leg, same arm. This will do this, and you'll want to twist down. You may want to fall. Make sure it's your right arm and opposite leg, so it'll be your left leg when doing this exercise. Hold it for 5 seconds. Start off with between 5 and 8 exercises to start off with, like 5 reps of those. 5 each side, so it'll be 1, 1, 2, 2. And then you would, kind of have a break. Do 2 sets of 5 if you can. The next one's called the cat camel. Same position, so you're on all fours. Again, shoulders, hands shoulder width apart. Same thing with the knees, right below your hips. And this is working more on your low back and the extension and flexion of your lumbar and thoracic spine. So this is called the cat, when you bring your back up and you see that flexion in your low back and thoracic spine. And then after the cat, you then bring it down into the camel. Okay, and the camel, you want to tilt your pelvis this way so that you have a bit of an arch in your low back, but an arch also, make sure you get the mid back into it as well. You don't just want just the hips, you want the hips and the back involved as well. And then you kind of go back and forth between the two. Okay, so the main thing here is making sure that you tilt the pelvis back and forth. Okay, and you can hold those each for about 2 or 3 seconds and transition between both of them, and do that about 5 to 8 times each. Then give yourself a rest and then do it again for 2 sets. And those are 2 main common exercises. They're quite easy, they're low strain on your back, and they're good to kind of build up the intrinsic small muscles of your low back, get them stronger, so you can maintain a better neutral spine and avoid future irritation to your low back.
McLauchlin Wellness Clinic, your first step to better health.
Whether it's neck, back, or other body pain, don't let illness or injury get in the way of living your best life. Discover the difference at McLauchlin Wellness Clinic. Many treatment options in one location means the McLauchlin team of specialists work together to find you the best solution.
The right place, the right care right now.